SmartTags in Mylio photos make it really easy to find specific things in your photos. Let me show you. I'm going to go ahead and open up the left panel to get to our quick filters. We have several different quick filters to choose from. I'm going to work right now with SmartTag. So I'm going to go ahead and twirl down by SmartTag. And we have several different things that Mylio Photos has recognized in our images. And this will help us eliminate everything else except for what we choose when we're looking at all of our photos. Let's go ahead and start by looking at some animals. I'm going to twirl down animal and let's find all of our cat photos. Well, this is pretty cool. It found all of these wild cats, and if I want to see specific types of wild cats, I can twirl this down further and let's take a look for all of the lions. That's pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and take a look at a few other characteristics here and see how else we can narrow down our library. Let me go ahead and clear lion, and then let's take a look at places. I'm going to go ahead and twirl down place, and let's take a look at megaliths. You'll see it found different megaliths from different historical sites, and if you know what you're looking for, this is a great way to find specific things in your library. You can also use SmartTags in the search and go ahead and type in a filter up here at the top. Let's say I want to find all my dogs, and I'm going to find all my dog photos by just typing that in. You'll see it located in album, and it also located the AI SmartTag for dog. I can click on that, and it's going to pull up all of my dog photos. This is really very helpful. Now, if you look at the search and it's not finding all of the dog photos that you think should be there, you can adjust the AI sensitivity. Click on the gear icon next to the term, and you can adjust this to have more accuracy with fewer matches or fewer matches with more accuracy. And if you need to, you can always reset this back to the default and click apply, and that'll adjust your search. Using SmartTags in Mylio Photos makes finding things extremely simple.